like spring cleaning. Yes. Back to what I was saying. I wanted to come on here and do like a spring cleaning house reset type of video where I just go through each room and give it a little refresh and reset. It's the perfect time. Spring cleaning. Spring is in the air. Notice how I don't have mascara on because the pollen and my allergies has been so bad. I haven't been putting mascara on because I just itch my eyes most of the day. It's horrible and I can't like do much about the allergies because of breastfeeding. But yeah, spring cleaning. I hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna start in the sunroom, which is the room that I'm in now, which is like half dining room, half living room, half playroom. It's just, there's a lot going on in here, but this is where we're gonna start. Yes, baby? What do you say?
Go.
Let's go! Yeah, babe. What do you want? More snacks? What do you say? Okay. Okay, baby. We might get through this intro eventually. I don't know where I was at, but we're going to start in the sunroom. Let's get into it. Go over there and clean his toy area, except for he's actively playing in there right now and it doesn't seem like a bright idea to try to go and clean it up while he's playing. So we're gonna move on into the kitchen. It needs some work, so let's go. See what's happening over there? Like that?
Yeah.
Little baby clothes haul because it's too cute not to share. Like Easter. You're joking. So cute. Obviously for Cohen. And then to match, right here's this little one piece. That is so cute. I love that these actually look like children's bathing suits. The quality of this stuff is amazing. It's from Hannah Anderson. That's so cute. Love a good long sleeve bathing suit, obviously for the sun. They're so I love that these are like bright colors because it's hard to find like boy bathing suits that aren't blue, which is actually really dangerous in a pool or the ocean because you can't see them as well. Enough with this stalling. We're gonna clean this kitchen up. Cleaning back there?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Wow, you're doing a really good job, buddy. Here you go. I really need to refill it. Yes, baby. syrup for my coffee. I've been making my own and it's so much better. And I found this cute little like pump from the Target like dollar section or whatever. So cute. I need to make more. I just bought some new vanilla extract from Trader Joe's that I'm excited to try. Okay, taking a quick, I just fed her, but I'm gonna take a quick, I know, 1 second, I'm gonna come out there. You want me to come outside with you? Yeah. Okay. Quick break on cleaning and the video to go hang out with my boy because he wants me to come play with him outside. So I will get back to cleaning, and I also have a ton of laundry I need to do, but my dad is coming over to help fix something with the outlet for our dryer because we just got brand new washer and dryers, which I'm so excited to use. So I have a ton of laundry to do later. But we're taking a quick break. I'll be back to finish the other half of the kitchen and the rest of the house shortly. Let's go play. Go outside? Yeah. Okay, I'm coming. I'm not sure if I ever showed our little like backyard playground, but my parents got Cohen and Briar this whole setup for Christmas. It's so cute. Oh, the sun. It's super sunny right now. I got this cute mat off Etsy. He's got a little house. Those are chairs I like to sit in. That's a little sandbox. We've got the slide, the swings. I like to bring Briar's little bouncer out here so she can hang out too. He loves it so much. But yeah, okay, we're gonna play for a little bit. Hopefully my allergies don't go absolutely insane while I'm out here because like we have oak trees all over, like quite literally everywhere. So hopefully they don't get too bad, but we're gonna play for a little while and then we'll get back to the cleaning and all the laundry, which I'm actually excited for once in my life to do laundry because it's with our new washer and dryer and I'm so excited. Okay, we're back in from playing. I did start sneezing, unfortunately, but I'm gonna finish cleaning up this kitchen. There's so much mulch in her bouncer from outside. Cohen was like shoving it behind her. This is definitely the reality sometimes of trying to get things done with a little Velcro baby that just wants to be held. I feel like the lighting is making us look so red. You're so cute. I'm going to try to put the bottle washers away because we haven't used them in a while because we haven't been doing bottles, so, and I haven't been pumping. So they feel a bit unnecessary and they take up a lot of space, so I'm going to put those away. I'm gonna have to go through my pantry and really organize it because it is a nightmare currently, so. Okay, wait, I really don't know. Should I move that to there? So it kind of like breaks these up, or do I just leave this? Because they're kind of hidden when you come in, so maybe that just looks better empty. I don't know, what do you think? Okay, I'm back. It got a little chaotic there. My dad came over, he fixed the dryer situation, so that's all ready to go. And then when he left, Cohen got a little upset and it's been a little rough, but Bradley just got home from work, so he took the kids so I could get some laundry done because, like I said, washer and dryer just got installed today and my dad got the dryer situation fixed. So now I get to do laundry, which I'm actually excited about. I talked about that earlier because our new washer and dryer I'm really excited to use. We've had the like oldest, crustiest washer and dryer ever. So I'm so excited to be using something new and I have plenty of laundry to get done. On the topic of laundry, I wanted to talk about the laundry detergent we've been using, which is Blue Land laundry detergent tablets. I want to say thank you to Blue Land for partnering with me on today's video. We have been loving these products. I've been using these for a while now and I love them. They're so simple. Laundry made simple. You throw one of these into the like washing machine, wash your clothes. It gets out tough stains, which my toddler moms know, or just babies that eat food, they know things can get really messy around here, but this lifts all of the stains out and there's no harsh, gross ingredients. Blueland is people and planet friendly, which as someone who recently has started trying to get into a more sustainable lifestyle, Blueland has made it super simple in like the laundry and cleaning department. We also use the Blueland dishwasher tablets. Same idea, you throw one of these into your like into your dishwasher where you put normal soap, and it gets all of your dishes super clean, super simply. All of their products are free of all the nasties. I'll list them on the screen because I can't even say half of the nasty words. And they are hypoallergenic, sourced from vegan and non-GMO ingredients. Blueland uses no single-use plastics from their packaging product, the shipping package. Just none of it is single-use plastic, which is awesome, obviously, if you're trying to be more sustainable. What's so nice is when you get the starter kit for, let's say, the laundry detergent, you get the laundry detergent and then the little container like I showed you, you get to fill that, and then you can buy refills, so it saves you a ton of money to buy refills, and you can buy them in bulk to save even more money, or do a subscription, which is fully customizable and super convenient, so you never run out of your most used products. If you guys are interested, I'll have it linked down below and you can get 15% off, or click the QR right here. Again, that'll get you 15% off of Blueland's products. Definitely check it out. I have been loving them. And now we're gonna go do some laundry. Okay, I look a little crazy because my hair is driving me insane, so I pulled it back. But I'm gonna end this video here because I need to cook dinner and I just need to finish this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it motivated you to clean. I feel like I'm in a constant cycle of cleaning, but it's okay. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.